How to Sunbucks Card California. Follow the instructions. Check if child gets call fresh, Medicall, CalWorks, or school-free reduced lunch program. If not, submit school meals application or universal benefits application, UBA, to school. Confirm your home address with the school or update it through benefits call or local office. Eligible children will automatically get mailed a Sunbucks EBT card with $120 summer benefits. Activate your Sunbucks EBT card when received, following instructions provided in the mail. Use your Sunbucks card to buy groceries at stores that accept CallFresh EBT cards in California. Check card balance online or by calling the California EBT helpline for updated balance info. Spend Sunbucks within 122 days of card issuance, and used funds will automatically expire. Thank you for watching.